Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Chevelle SS396 in Monaco orange paint, which is a great looking color. And this was a great paint job on this car, which had been restored a little while ago, but was still in real nice shape. And had the teak wheel, steering wheel, bench seat, column shift. Not all of them were bucket seats and a 4-speed, although it seemed like most of them were. But this one was a real nice car. I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And it was getting quite a bit of looks, and as it should, because it was a good looking car. It definitely caught your eye with that bright orange paint. But anyway, the Chevelle SS396 in 1969, it became a option package. It's no longer a series of its own. It became a $347.60 option package on any two-door model of the Chevelles or Malibus. So they wound up selling 86,307 1969 Chevelle SS396s. So not a rare car by any stretch of the imagination. And they don't have an accurate production number for the convertibles, but they're guessing probably around 2,000 of them were made. So those are pretty rare. These are pretty common, and was one of the best-selling muscle cars of the year, if not the best. I think him and the Roadrunner were the top two for 1969. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Chevelle SS396 in Monaco orange. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.